up, guys? You already know it's OG Smokey here, and we're here again with another episode of our Zero Caliber, and this will be our second episode. We're here in our secret operative base, and soon I'll be the guy that's on that computer, hopefully. And it seems like we're short-staffed because there's only like literally 2 people in here. But let's go ahead and start our second mission, right? Alright, this that second mission. Let's see. Gave us some attachments. I don't know if I want that without a stock. That makes it holdable without, you know what? Ooh, I didn't even see that there. It's gonna be a hard decision. Do I want an automatic or do I want a rifle? Alright, y'all. Pick what you think I'm gonna use first before I choose it. And if I choose it, then you hit that like button. But let's see. Let's see. If you watch some of my videos, you know what I'm about to use. So let's see if we can put this on there. Ooh, and it's possible. It's possible, y'all. Alright, see what kind of a clip we got. Okay. Small clip. We're gonna take that. We're gonna also take this pistol. Because we don't need that. We need the Glock. The Glock is better. Alright, let's see. So we gotta defeat the garrison. So we gotta defeat a whole garrison, y'all. Oh. Okay, this got that range to it. Ooh, okay. Alright, that. Ooh, they're shooting. Let's get back. Okay, cause yeah, they're really busting. So let's throw a grenade. Ooh, I threw that pretty far. Let's see. Ooh, I got somebody. So that was a pretty nice grenade there. Take that shot to the face. Alright, let's try to eliminate him. Ooh. I heard that last bullet spark. Ooh, that hitbox was acting up with that heel. Yeah. Just hit him through the log. Let's see if we hit them through the log, y'all. Ooh, there we go. Alright. Is it possible to climb this? I mean, of course it is, because it said we can climb stuff in this game. So we're just going to climb up here and hope for the best in their aim. Okay, yeah, and I'm happy I did. Okay, so that's not going to work with that. So let's toss a grenade down there. Take the pistol. Ooh, now don't clip in here. What am I doing? And just get him. Why is it taking so long? Sir, die. Die, sir. Alright. Let's see how many clips I waste. So far that was 2. Oh, well. That was only 2. Ooh. Should I do it? Should I do it, y'all? Should I put the sniper scope on here? It seemed like it's worthwhile, but I really don't. You know what? No, I'm not gonna do that. I don't like the sniper scope, really. Ooh, not just hurt myself like that. Alright, got him down. Is that the whole garrison? Or is there more? I bet you there's more around this wall. Let me reload just in case. Alright, let's see. Okay, C4. Ooh. Oh, he's definitely not about to run up on me like that. I did not mean to do him like that. I really just like full on missed a lot of those shots with this pistol. I need to aim better. I don't like the iron sight. Let's get back. Let's get in there. Got him down. Pull out the put him down. Had me scared somebody around that corner. I don't have no more grenades, so let's just hope for the best. Wow, now y'all seen that, right? No, please. Alright, let's go. Come and get me. I seen you in that bush. Ooh, he's definitely sniping at me. He's definitely sniping at me. So I have to cross over there somehow. So let's go, let's go. Ooh, got that shot off on me. Alright, let's do it. Took me a lot of shots, but I have to, because I only want to use this red dot here. Let's come up here and see what we got. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa, what just happened? Okay. Let's it's an AK. You know what? I don't need that no more. Actually, let's get these attachments going. You know what? Let's put that there. Can we put this on here? All right, that works. That works. Put that back. Grab this grenade, and that has a sight as well. So we're just gonna take that, put it on this. That works. Load that up. All right. All right. Let's just hope there's nobody here ready to spank my ham. Right, let's get out of here. I need to stop doing that because it hurts me every time. Get up here. Just gonna operate crane. Oh, okay. Where they at? Ooh, sniper guy. Guy on the hill over there. You know what? It's grenade time. Let's see how that do. Alright, got somebody. Let's hit him with the AK. Got him. That shotgun? Yes. Alright. Do I gotta load this up? I don't think so. Let's find out. Where you at? I know you over here. I know you over here. Put him down. Okay, let's roll through here with this shotgun and placement of some of these guns here. These are long-range weapons. Okay, there ain't nobody in there. Ooh, there's some guy right there. Alright, let's shotgun the mess out. Oh, oh, and it was this guy here. That's what it was. That bullet to the head. Alright. I'm gonna restart that real quick. Get this mission done. Why do I always die one time before why did it do this to me? Where's my guns? Can we go back? Ooh, and it's not possible. Let's try. Oh, that ain't possible. Alright. So we gotta roll it with the punches, y'all. Because this is not gonna cut it. And they're trying to corner me. Alright. Yeah, shotgun. Alright. Take this pistol. Use these bullets. Whoa, where did he come from? Alright. I don't even want that guy. You know what? Yes, I do. Alright. Alright, there we go. Seems like a nice gun. What do you have? A shotgun? Alright, I got the shotgun now. I got the spaz, I think. Let's see. Man, wherever you coming from, get in here. Yes. I'm not getting ambushed this time. Alright, grenade time. Get over here. Bro, like, it sounds like somebody behind me. Dude. Oh, I'm acting up. Alright, shotgun time. Whew, he was definitely about to come take my beams, and I wasn't going to let him have it. Where's he coming from? It's scaring me, man. Let's go look at that corner. What the heck? Where's he at? He's shooting through the wall, y'all. Oh, he on the roof. That's where he at. That's where he at. Get down. Now, where the other one at? 'Cause I still hear him. Ooh, I shouldn't have got all the way up here. Right, let's cut him off from the top. Oh, and I'm out of bullets. Alright, let's hope for the best. What kind of shotgun you got? Double barrel. Oh, that's the same shotgun I got. Alright, so they're shooting me. Alright, let's do it. Oh no, I just got stuck. Can I climb it? I guess not. Shotgun, no! Don't hit me with that. Okay. I was gonna be so devastated to sit there, think I have to drop, and literally get shot in the face. Alright, so this guy's unsuspecting. Because at first I thought he was gonna notice me and I was gonna get shot, but turns out that's not the case. Oh! That was sudden. Luckily I loaded my shotgun at the right time. Where they at? Run, run, run. Alright, we're climbing. Oh no, I gotta get my gun. Where is he? Where'd he go? He didn't just disappear just like that. got him down. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Where we grab the key card. There's another guy over there. Let's try to hit him in the head. Let's try to hit him. He's gonna hit this corner in a second. There we go. I like the mechanic that they let you be able to jump, because most games don't let you do that. I just fling myself like gun raiders. Alright, let's grab this. Open the crate. Okay, so I got the key card. Let's hope they don't ambush me here. Okay. Alright, let's check this corner again. Alright. Alright, we're good. Good. Let's reload just in case. Let's reload. I can't do that. So I guarantee there's going to be a sniper somewhere. There's going to be a sniper somewhere. I know there's another guy, because I swear I seen him. Like, I really did see him somewhere. Eliminate the opponents. Where? Oh! Oh, come on, grab the shotty. Oh! It's like, I'm getting shot from every corner. I know that other shot felt like a shotgun. Okay. Where'd he go? He's somewhere amongst the lumber. Alright, let's get the high ground. Okay, there we go. Yeah, he's gonna run from here any second, so let's just get up here. Get him. But was that even the opponents? Because if I come over here and there's a whole band of people, I'm gonna be salty because they misled me. Oh, there's people. Okay, here we go. Get that. There we go. Alright, no. Oh, he's over there. He's over there. Oh, there we go. How does he not see me? Like, what is even going on? I'm just gonna walk over there, right? Whoa, sniper guy. I really wasted a lot of clips on that guy. Let's try to aim this right. We just got to run up on them. This is not doing it. Not having a scope is terrible. Let's go. Let's get the climbing. I don't know how I just got phased into that, but can I press this? I can't. I know that's where I'm going because it says warehouse key. Ooh, I just really hurt myself doing that. But guys, this is about to be tricky. I'm about to run up on him. Shotgun time. Should reload it up. Get. Alright. Got the warehouse key. Let's go back and hope that there ain't nobody in our way. Just have to make sure that's ready and to blow at whoever's in this door. Alright, yep, we're doing good, we're doing good. Okay. Don't come out here. Hit him with that corner bang real quick. Alright, let's go through this warehouse. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good either. Can I fight him? I can't fight him. He's just got a huge, that looks like an LMG. There ain't no way. Please don't make me start over. Please. Am I close? No, I'm not close. And I got my old weapon. So, sir, I need your shotgun. I need somebody's automatic. Okay, so we are kind of starting back over somewhat. Still here in the lumber yard. Gotta go back around. Go. I need one of their guns, like ASAP. Please don't run up on me, sir. Please. Okay. Can I dual wheel? Alright, let's go. We're gonna get this guy. Ooh. It doesn't work. Alright, we're still gonna dual wheel these bugs. Alright. Search the area, which I know there's going to be somebody down here. Where you at? Ooh, that wasn't good. Spaz time. Alright, get our automatics back. There we go. Alright, let's go. Don't do this. Oh. That was very close. I could have died there. Oh, that's a double kill. Alright, sir. Taking your gun. And I need to get these in there. So, like, now I'm convinced everybody got the same gun. Okay, so these aren't practical at all. That's not what I'm about to do. Alright, let's just get him off that roof. Because he's up there doing too much. Get him. What? tip him down. Whoa. Okay. He's itching for a shotgun pump. So let's offer him one. That's what he gets for just shooting at me and not connecting none of those shots. Alright, so let's grab this key. Got the key. And that doesn't go nowhere. Alright, let's go. Alright. Alright, now since we know what's in there. Oh, that's not good. Like, I am not experienced enough to do this. Alright, let's just... There we go. Grenade. Alright, shotgun pump him. Ooh, go in here. Shotgun pump him. Alright. We need bullets. Yep, I get some bullets. Alright, where's the guy? Get down here. Ooh, hit him with 3 pumps. Alright, I need his weapon though. That is obsolete. We don't need this no more. Yeah. I'm liking this gun.
How the hell did they get this much of it? Brought it with themselves.
Alright, we finally did the lumber yard. That was a very intense match. I shouldn't have put it on hardened, but then again, I'm enjoying it while it's on hardened because it feels a little too, you know, like on point with the botched shots, but hey, that's how it is. What are they even talking about?
They swear it comes straight from their god, Taloke. Alright, but you can't believe it actually comes from an Aztec god, right?
But yeah, basically what I'm trying to get at is stay frosty, stay tuned, because I will be back. Please like and subscribe.